In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to whitelist an IP address in Fortinet. Whether you're managing a network for a large organization or just ensuring your home network is secure, knowing how to whitelist an IP is an essential skill. It ensures that trusted devices can communicate freely through your firewall, minimizing the chance of unnecessary blocks and maintaining smooth network operations. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your Fortinet site. This is your main hub for managing all things related to your Fortinet security systems. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for your Fortinet device. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Fortinet dashboard, which is where all the magic happens. Now, let's find the option to whitelist an IP address. At the top of your Fortinet dashboard, you'll notice a search icon. It's usually represented by a small magnifying glass. Click on this search icon, which will open up a search box. This is a handy tool that allows you to quickly locate various functions and settings within Fortinet. In the search box, type the word whitelist. As you type, the system should start suggesting results related to your query. This feature is particularly useful because it saves you time scrolling through menus and options. Once you see the relevant option for IP whitelisting, click on it to proceed. With the whitelist interface open, you can now add the IP address you wish to whitelist. It's important to double-check the IP address you intend to add to ensure it's correct. An incorrect IP could lead to unwanted access or block necessary connections. Enter the IP address into the designated field and confirm your entry. After entering the IP address, you'll need to save your changes. Look for a Save button or an option to apply your changes. This step is crucial as it ensures that the IP address is actually whitelisted and that your settings will take effect immediately. Once saved, the IP address is now part of your whitelist, meaning it's been granted permission to bypass certain security checks or restrictions. This can be particularly useful for trusted devices or services that you don't want to be accidentally blocked by your Fortinet firewall. And there you have it. You've successfully whitelisted an IP address in your Fortinet security system. Remember, while whitelisting is a powerful tool, it should be used judiciously to maintain the security of your network. Regularly reviewing your whitelist can help ensure that only necessary and trusted IP addresses are allowed through. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for securing your network with Fortinet. Be sure to check out other videos for more tips and tutorials on managing your network security.